budgies at Petco. They're really cute, right?
They're you.
So cute. Aww. I want one. She's always wanted one. But she knows she's probably not going to get one. I have like 2 cars in the front and then 2 in the back. Are you sure there's 2 in the back? Yeah, I just realized it right now. I always thought it was 2 in the front and 1 in the back. Me too. But they just have one kind of like that. You know, they have 2 in the front and there's this 1 in the back and then there's one kind of like that, which I never noticed. Neat, cute, right? Yeah, and minerals. And
look
fruit.
at that. Look at this one.
And nuts. Guinea pig time. Look at the guinea pig. And if you didn't notice, if you haven't noticed, this one kind of looks like Bugsy, the guinea pig from Bedtime Stories. Except his eyes aren't big. His eyes aren't big. Although Bugsy's is like huge. It's even big on a cow. That's what I was gonna say. It's like Bugsy's eyes in the movie is supposed to be like
Yeah, I seen it.
that big.
Yeah, they're big.
And this size is even
What's the
big on
name
a
of the
cow.
movie he's in?
Bedtime Stories.
Bedtime Stories.
Okay, next. Follow me. Wow.